In this tutorial, I will guide you how to cancel MyUS subscription or membership. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now once you go to myus.com website, select here sign in to sign in into your account that you want to cancel the membership. Now upon sign in, just select here membership profile, then select here on membership. Now also select here on the membership, you can select here on the current membership. As you can see here on the current membership, you can select change. Now, if maybe your membership is set to premium and you're being charged either from premium or business, you can shift it to free. And the free, your account can remain free without being charged anything. So you can just, for example, I was being charged for premium and I just change it to single package, which is free. You can select here change and set it to single package. Or you can cancel here, we select cancel account. And then you can continue cancellation. You'll be able to cancel your account. But I highly advise you to just change here the current membership. If you want to just keep your account, change it to single package, which is free, and you can remain using your account without being charged monthly. So that's it. You can also contact the support team if you face any difficulties through the number which has been provided here, or select on the contact here through the support page. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.